Alright, we are going to see the flooded road that is on my street. Under an umbrella, safely. This is my front yard. It's all wet. My car got a bath. Yay, car, you're clean now. This is about probably a foot and a half deep. This is the street. Completely flooded. There are things coming down it. There's a chair. There is people. There's a shopping cart down there. There is a trash can down there. This is a Coke bottle. This is probably pretty deep. It's pretty scary. That's the kind of stuff you don't want to get in. This was the sidewalk. Right there. See where the sidewalk ends? Right there is where the sidewalk ends, right there. Down there, it's probably completely flooded because it floods all the way out down there. And you got, if you look there, fucking idiots trying to swim in it because they're dumbasses. Well, that's enough for me because I'm all wet. This is probably a good foot worth of water right there in my thing. It goes pretty far down because it's all dirt. That's my pond. Street. Sky. People don't know how to drive very well, so